Hi everyone, I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Alia.
I'm Fong.
I'm Visalini, Ravindran. Today I'd like to share my journey in becoming a chartered banker. I always believe that the process of learning never stops.
After 10 years of working in the financial industry, I needed something to re-energize my career goals.
I was working as an entry-level personal banker. Prior to that, I had worked in both bank and non-bank financial institutions for a few years. Taking the plunge to commit to the Chartered Banker program was a decision that I made with some difficulty and apprehension. But I made it anyhow with the support of my superiors and my family.
If you were to ask me one word to describe banking, that would be trust.
In the Chartered Banker program, we address the real-world business challenges, which helps me to look beyond my roles and see how different organizations operate as a whole. This also increases my exposure to diverse perspectives on global, social, and business issues.
Achieving the chartered banker status is not only an advantage on professional front, but also helps me to broaden my network. It holds us to a higher level of integrity and professionalism in the banking sector.
Both the program content and the experience have certainly helped me through my transition from retail banking to affluent banking, business banking, and commercial banking. The Chartered Banker qualifications has given me an edge in every step of the way, and the knowledge and the experience that I've gained are highly relevant to every role that I've taken, and I'm sure it will serve me well in the years to come.
Being the gold standard in the banking industry, the Chartered Banker designation distinguishes me in the eyes of my customer and colleagues. It is the highest standards of ethics and professionalism for a banking professional, and these are the crucial elements for building trust.
Strong determination, discipline, and consistency are vital in this journey. For all aspiring chartered bankers, never give up on your goal to attain the status no matter what challenge comes your way.
That feeling of accomplishment and the skills gained by earning the Chartered Banker status has helped me improve my confidence in navigating through my work. It is an immense sense of reward and personal achievement. For every module I took, I attended the classroom training. I met many new colleagues from various backgrounds and across many financial institutions. It really was great to expand my current network of friends.
I would also like to share a few tips for candidates pursuing the Chartered Banker program to learn new knowledge before an open heart, accept new challenges, and begin with the end in mind. Be ready to take charge of your learning journey and schedule your study plans according to your work commitments. Be disciplined with your study plan. Lastly, you may look for support from a mentor or form a study group with other Chartered Banker candidates.
Embracing lifelong learning is a must for all professionals in every field, let alone one which is ever evolving. The Chartered Banker program is certainly for every aspiring banker, no matter your level of experience.
I hope my sharings helps you make an informed and important decision in your banking career to pursue the Chartered Banker program with AICB.
I encourage you to be an AICB member and start your journey towards becoming a chartered banker.